Yes, sir. The recording is started.
So last class I did about potential energy. Today and potential energy's formula also I have given last time. Potential energy we have quickly got the formula is mgh. Mass, m is mass, g is acceleration due to gravity, and h is height. That means wherever there is a height, what energy we can find? We can find potential energy. Okay. Now, write second one kinetic energy now. There are two kinds of mechanical energy and kinetic energy. Kinetic energy. Definition of kinetic energy. Please write.
Ye- Yes, sir. Sir, one second.
Definition of kinetic energy.
Sir, done.
Okay, right. The energy possessed by a body, the energy possessed by a body by virtue of by virtue of by virtue virtue by virtue of its motion by virtue of its motion is called by virtue of its motion is called called the kinetic energy of the body. It's called the kinetic energy of the body. It's called the kinetic energy of the
Sir,
body.
so the kinetic energy
Sir,
of the
can you
body.
repeat?
By virtue of its motion is called the kinetic energy of the body. Therefore, kinetic formula. Therefore,
Sorry, your
kinetic
voice is not
energy.
clear.
Yes, sir. Sir, it's cracking. Sir, can you repeat the definition?
Sorry, your voice is
The
not clear.
energy possessed by the body by virtue of its motion. The energy possessed by the body by virtue of its motion is called the kinetic energy of the body. Is called the kinetic energy of the body. Okay, now clear. Then I therefore kinetic energy K. Kinetic energy we denote by the we write in short K. Potential energy P. Kinetic energy K. K is equal to write the formula half mv square. This is the formula of kinetic. Kinetic energy formula is 1 by 2 mv square. Half mv square. 1 by 2 is half. Half mv square where m is mass, mass of the body, and v is velocity of velocity of the body. V is velocity of the body. Please write down. Please write down. Okay. Did you write? Hello, have you written it?
Sir, finished.
Finished.
Okay. Okay, good. Kinetic energy formula we got half mv square. That means whenever a body will have velocity or body will have speed, that means whenever body will have motion, what energy will the body have? What kind of energy? We say body will have kinetic energy. Kinetic means motion and potential means rest. If anything is at some height, it is going to have potential energy. If anything is moving with some speed or with some velocity, the body will have kinetic energy. Any kind of energy, SI unit is joule, J. Okay. Mass SI unit is kg. If it is given in gram, we must change in kg. If it is velocity, so we denote by V, and its SI unit is meter per second. Meter per second. Please put your video also off. Put your video off. Okay. Understood? Now, kinetic energy definition you have got, and you got the formula also. Now we will be doing some problems, numerical problems on potential energy and on kinetic energy. Please write down question, right? A body of mass, a body of mass, a body of mass 10 kg, a body of mass 10 kg is lying at a height of, is lying, Lying, is lying at a height of 5 meters. Is lying at a height of 5 meters. 5 meters, full stop. Find the potential energy, find the potential energy, find the potential energy possessed by the body, find the potential energy possessed, find the potential energy possessed by the body, possessed. Okay. Very simple question, and write down the value in the question right here. G is equal to, write down this G value is given
sir.
10 meters per second square. This is also given in the question. G value 10 meters per second square. Okay. Very simple question I gave. Please do it and tell me the answer. What answer do you get? Very simple question I gave, and please do and tell me the answer. You can write down the information. Mass of the body is given how much? A body of mass how much?
Sir, 10
Tell me, what is the
kg.
mass of the body given? Yeah. M is equal to that 10 kg.
Yes,
G
sir.
value is right down here. G value is 10 meters per second square. And height is given 5 meters. Write on that. We have M, G, and H known. We can find potential energy by the formula mgh. 10 G is 10, height is 5. The answer is 500. Unit you will give
Yes, sir.
joule. Unit of any kind of energy is joule. That is so simple.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, very easy. Now next question. Please write a question. Right. A stone of mass. A stone of mass. A stone of mass 500 grams. A stone of mass 500 grams is lying, Lying, is lying at a height of, 20 meters, at the height of 20 meters. 20 meters. Stop. Find the energy possessed by it. Find the energy possessed by it. Find the energy possessed by it. And write within brackets, G value now given is 9.8. 9.8 meter per second square is the value of G given in this question. Okay. The value of G is now 9.8. We will use 9.8. If it is given 10, we will use 10. If not mentioned, we can use either 10 or 9.8. Any one of them we can use. Okay. So how to do this question? Let us write the information first, all the information. Mass, given how much mass? What is
Sir,
the mass of the
500
body?
grams.
Okay, right,
So
500
means
grams. Change in kg.
Sir,
Yes.
0.5 kg.
Kg. Very good. Very good. So 2020 can you cancel? You can leave in fraction form or you can divide and get the answer in point. It's the same thing. So 5 by 10 you can write, or you can cancel also write half kg. Half kg. You can write half kg. Though you can divide and give the answer in decimal, that is also allowed. But this is not going to be the final answer, so I'll keep in the form of fraction. Write down the information G. G value is given 9.8 meters per second square, and height is given 20 meters. So write 20 meters. Now use the formula of potential energy. The formula is mgh. Mass value put half. G is 9.8 and height is given 20. Now you find answer. These 2 and 20 will cancel, you get 10. 9.8 into 10, I'll multiply. Point will remove 1 0 because after point we got one number, so 1 0 will go. That means answer will come 98 joule. 98 joule. 98 joule is answer. And in this case, when height is given, the body will be possessing which energy? Potential energy. So this is the only value of the energy possessed by the body. Okay. Done?
Sir, sir.
Yes.
It's not 10,
Yeah,
sir,
tell me.
it's 20 meters.
What is 20 meters? Height.
No, sir, sorry, sir, you have cancelled.
Yeah, 220 I cancel by 10 times. Okay now?
Okay, sir.
These 2 and 20 I am cancelling by 10 times. So 10 into 9 point, the answer is 98 joule. It's okay, I suppose. Yeah.
Yes, sir, okay,
All
sir.
right. Okay. Now next question, please write. At what height? At what height? At what height a body? At what height a body? A body of 5 kg. A body of 5 kg should be kept to possess energy of 1000 joule, to possess energy of 1000 joule. 1000 joule, to possess energy of 1000 joule. Yes. That is the question. This time you have to find height.
So gravity
and
will-
take the value of G 10. G value write down
Sir.
10 meter per second square.
Yes, sir.
Right within bracket, the value of G given is 10 meters per second square. First, you have to decide which kind of energy the body
Yes,
will possess,
sir.
because height is given here. Then potential energy. That means you can write on the information first. Mass of the body is given 5 kg.
Yes,
G is
sir.
given
And
10.
potential energy is equals. Yes, sir. And potential energy is equals to
Yeah,
1000 joule.
very good. 1000 joule. Very nice. Good. Nice of you. Potential energy is 1000 joule. Now you are using the formula of potential energy. Potential energy formula you are having mgh. Put the value of potential energy. 1000 you write here. Mass is 5. G is 10. You have to find the value of height. H. I think easily you can find out. Tell me the answer.
Sir, 50.
So 1
Answer will
second
get.
solving.
Yeah, solve. You can cancel 10, 10 will go. 105, 5, this you can cancel. You can add like this also. 100 by 5 is the value of h. 5, this will go 20. 20 is the value of h. Therefore, conclude
Sir,
answer not
520.
equal h
Sir,
is equal to
20.
20. Yeah, 20 meters. You have to give the unit also. Huh? Unit is also important. The height value is
Yes,
coming
sir.
20 meters. That means the body you must keep at a height of 20 meters. Then only it will possess an energy of 1000 joule. Hope you have understood this, sir. All right. Even suppose energy is
Yes,
given,
sir.
potential is given, and
Yes,
mass is
sir.
unknown, we can find mass also. Yeah. Yes. Okay. Now the next question. Next question, right? Calculate. Please write question. Calculate the kinetic energy. Calculate. Calculate the kinetic energy of a body of mass. Calculate the kinetic energy
Sir, 1 second, 1 second.
of a body of. Okay.
Yes, sir. Calculate the kinetic energy.
Calculate the kinetic energy of a body of mass. Calculate the kinetic energy of a body of mass 10 kg. 10 kg moving with a speed of 10 meters per second. 10 meters per second. Moving with a speed of 10 meters per second.
So velocity is
Yes.
10 meter per second.
Speed and velocity is same here in this context. You will take 10. Yes. Can you do it? Very simple. Write on the information
Yes,
given
sir.
for mass n.
So kinetic
What is the mass of the body
energy
given?
is equals to 100.
10 kg.
I think you're right. What is the mass given in the question? How much is the mass of the body?
Sorry, sir, 50, sir,
Please read
50.
the question. Yes, yes. Mass of the body is how much? Tell me.
Sir, 10 kg.
10 kg, no? Right,
Yes,
10
sir.
kg. And velocity value is how much given? Also 10.
Sir, 10. Yes, sir.
10 meters
So it
per
will be
second.
50.
Now you are using the formula. Let us see, no, half mv square. Half, don't do in hurry, please take your time. Mass is 10, velocity is 10, correct? 10 square. 10 square.
So we have to
You
write
can
10
cancel
square.
it, 2, 5. Yeah, square is there, no, power is there, the square. There is a square,
Yes,
no, in
sir.
velocity. You
So
get
means,
10
sir, it will
into
be
10, 2
5.
times, multiply everything. 500. 5 into 10 into 10. Answer is
Yes, sir,
500.
500 joule.
Unit is joule. 500 joule. Yes, yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Okay. I think your method was right, but only you did in hurry, so you gave me the wrong answer. Okay. Anyway, next question now.
Yes, sir.
Done. Next question, right? Right. A stone of mass. A stone of mass. A stone of mass 0.2 kg. A stone of mass 0.2 kg is moving with a velocity. A stone of mass 0.2 kg is moving with a velocity 20 meters per second. Velocity 20 meters per second. Full stop. How much energy does it possess? How much energy does it possess? Possess. How much energy does it possess? Yeah. So that is the question. Let us find the answer. Very simple question. Can you do it?
Yes, sir. Easy
What is
sum.
the mass of the body given? Easy sum, very good. 0.2 kg
So 0.2.
and velocity is given 20 meters per second. Yeah. Now tell me the answer. What answer do you get?
Yes, sir.
Calculate and tell me what answer are you getting?
So 40.
40. Yeah. Yes, 40 joule. Yeah, you're right. So kinetic energy formula you are applying, that is half into half mv square, that in half. Mass is 0.2, velocity is 20 into 20. So 2 and this will go by 10 times. Point we can remove, reconnect 10 down here, 0, 0 will go. So 20 and 2 left over. Answer is 40 joule. Kinetic energy value is coming 40 joule. Yes.
So what is that?
Yeah,
Beside
tell me.
V?
Sir,
20
easy
meters.
sums.
So in the top.
V square.
So 20
V
meters.
equal to this one.
So
Per
that one. So
second
that one.
slash meter per second slash oblique
Okay, sir.
meter per second. Yeah. Okay, 40 joule. Very simple question. Now take another question and try. Right. Uh, ball of mass. Next question, a ball of mass 50 gram. A ball of mass 50 gram is thrown. A ball of mass 50 gram is thrown with a velocity of 30 meters per second. Velocity of 30 meters per second. Stop. How much energy does it possess? How much energy does it possess? How much energy does it possess? Question mark. Yes. Start. Very simple problem. Please do. Write down the information and do it. First write mass. How much is the value of mass given? In the question, how much is the value of mass?
So 50 grams.
Okay, write down the information. 50 gram. Do you need to do something with it or you will keep it as it is?
So we have to convert divided by 1000.
Yeah, very good. We have to convert because we have to change from gram to kg. You have to change this into kg value. Yes. So write 5 divided by 1000. You can cancel 5 and 20.
So 1 by
100, you can
20.
write 1 by 20 kg. 1 by 20 kg. You may not change it in decimal. Just write 1 by 20 kg. And velocity given is 30. Right? 30 meters per second. Now formula. Kinetic energy formula is
So 45.
half m
45 joule.
Yeah. I think all right. Looks like. Let us see. 30 into 30. You like 2 times. 2 times because of the square. Now you're cancelling it. 2, 10 times will go. What is the answer now? Check. Sorry, I made a mistake. This is 1 by 20.
Yes, sir. So it will be 50.
2 and this will go 50 times. Yeah.
15 into 3. So 45. 15 2s are 30. 3s
45
are
upon 2
45.
is also there. No? 45 divided by 2. 1 2 is still there, no? 45 by 2. This 2 is there, no? 45 upon 2.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Divide
Yes, sir.
and give the answer in decimal. So that 22.5. You have to give the answer in decimal place. So answer is coming 22.5 joule. Okay.
Sir, I'm forgetting that 1 by 2.
All right. 1 by 2 you forgot. So that is why your answer was wrong. So now it is correct. Okay, now next one. Right? A piece of stone, please write a question. A piece of stone moving with a speed 10 meters per second, 10 meters per second, 10 meters per second, possesses an energy, possesses kinetic energy, just write possesses kinetic energy of 1000 joule, 1000 joule. To stop. Find the mass of the stone. Find the mass of the stone. You have to find the mass of the stone. Yes. So how to do? Same way. Similar formula way we'll do, and formula will remain the same. So that means write on the information first. Velocity is given how much, with what velocity the piece of stone is moving? What is
So
the
10.
speed? 10. So that means V, speed and velocity is same. So write it 10 meters per second. And it possesses a kinetic energy of 1000 joule, right? 1000 joule. 1000 joule. You have to find M. M is unknown. Mass is question mark. Then the formula of kinetic energy, half mv squared. Putting the value of kinetic energy here, 1000, half m is not known, velocity you are writing 10 square. Now you calculate the value of m. If you want, you can do cross multiply like this. This
So
becomes
20 kg.
2000 equal to m. Yes, 10 into 10 becoming what here? 10 cancel, 10 cancel. Therefore, m is coming 20 and unit is kg. Very good. You have done it correctly. And your unit
Yes,
is also
sir.
right. Correct. You must give a correct unit also. Very good. Mass is coming 20 kg. So quite easy question. Yes, or
Yes, sir.
no?
The
Tell me.
formula will be same. Only the question is little twisted and turned.
No.
Find mass or velocity like that, sir.
Yeah. Yes. It is like an equation. One thing is unknown. You are finding the value of that. Solving equation. And formula equation remains the
So
same.
I had a question. So if we have to find the velocity, how we will find? Because velocity is square. So, sir, how we will
I'll do
find?
that question. Write a question. Oh, wait, I'll show you. Write a question. Right.
Yes,
Right.
sir.
With what velocity? With what velocity? With what velocity should a man? With what velocity should a man of mass? Should a man of mass 60 kg, 60 kg run, 60 kg run, so that his kinetic energy is so that his kinetic energy is 750 joules, 750 joules. 750 joules. So I am doing the question which you wanted to ask me. Let us see how we can do it. Write down the
Yes, sir.
information first. What is the mass of the man? M is given how much kg? 60
Sir,
kg. Write it
60.
down. 60
And sir,
amperes.
kinetic energy is
Kinetic energy is
750.
given
750
750
joule.
joule. Use the same formula. Same formula to use. Kinetic
Yes,
energy
sir.
value at 750. Half.
Sir,
Mass is 60 into
meter.
V is unknown, keep V square as it is. I'll do cross multiply first, or you can
Yes,
cancel
sir.
it through this way also, you can do 0. This will come 750 by 30 is equal to V square. 0, 0 cancel. 3 and this will go 25 times. You get 25 is equal to V square. When square will go, root will come the other side. No, like this. Root 25 is the value of
Yes,
V.
sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now you find answer now. V root 25 answer will come how much? 5. No. What is the square root of 25? 5.
So 5.
Answer is coming 5 meters per second. Yeah, answer is 5 meters per second. In case when V is unknown, speed is unknown, we will use the same formula, but we will have to take a square root over here. Right? And then the square root will come
Yes, sir.
and you will get the answer. So I think your question is answered. No, what you, the type of which you wanted
Yes,
to ask
sir.
me. The question is answered.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For
Understood.
today, we are doing this much. Yeah, we are doing this much today. Okay, and the next class will continue and we'll do the other topics which we have in syllabus. Okay. Thank you, boys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
Bye, sir.
sir.